Hi, welcome to this little healing session for you, where I'm going to open up and hold energies and space for your new frequencies, energies coming into your life to help you sort out anything so you can just move on swiftly. So let's enjoy this morning. The sun is bright, the ocean is nice, and I'm just going to sit here and hold your energies in the bright sun. While I sit here, I open up and I'm just holding the space for you. I'm going to feel the strength of the ocean around me, of the solid rock or whatever, bedrock that I'm sitting on, listening to the birds and holding your space. Open up and hold your space. That's what I do. I am a channel of energies and frequencies. I am Leo the Healer. My name is Charlotte, if it's the first time that you're here. And what I do is I hold space for you. And I hold the space so you can sit down, lie down, shut your eyes if you want to, take some deep, nice, comfortable breaths and receive this energy. Let it in. Let's see what it can do for you. How can it help you? How can these energies actually assist you in your life? What can they do? Do we know? Do we have to know? Do you want to know? Or will you let them just surprise you, right? Please tell yourself that, yes, I'm opening up to receiving these energies and frequencies that are being sent in my direction. I fully accept them as they come and surround me, my body, and my environment for this day, and see what they bring. Whatever the energies bring, I will accept and love and take to my heart. These energies are going to make your heart start to sing. Open up to whatever things you love and just feel the energies coming in your direction. We can listen to the sounds around us. Try to feel calm and relaxed about just letting energies do their thing. And don't mind the boats that are out on the ocean. I'm holding the energies for you. Just receive. Keep on receiving. What's important at this time? It's important that you find your happiness. And when I say that, I really mean that. It's so important that you find your happiness. Where is your happiness? Where can you be happy? Where can you find the laughter? Where would you place yourself to get that happiness? The laughter in your heart, the love in your heart. Where do you get the love you need in your heart? When you have love in your heart, the good shit's gonna hit the fan, if there's such a thing. Yeah. Just holding the space and energy for you to receive. So keep on receiving. I can feel it in my hands, I feel it in my feet, and we're opening up even more and more and more. So just receive and enjoy. While I sit here and hold energies, I'm also looking at things going on the lake. Let me be your helper by being the one who holds the space just open for you. That is what I do. I hold the space, I open up, and I keep it open so you can start receiving in your space. That's what I do. So I'm just going to hold the space open for you. I'm going to keep on holding and open and open and open so you can receive. Receive the love that I feel for this ocean, the water, the view I have, the sun in my face, the trees around me, the rock I'm sitting on, and the boats I'm hearing. It's important. I'm always almost feeling a bit tear-eyed because of how it touches my heart. And I want you to feel that touch of the heart, which I felt. So when I feel that, the energies get a bit more intense. And I fill myself up with loving thoughts, loving things, loving views, and I'm just holding it open for you so you can receive it in your form. It's not my thoughts and my love for the ocean. It's just that the love I feel inside of me are sending out the real energies to you, right? So keep receiving. And the traffic is going to get more intense as people go off to work out on the different islands here, which we have in the archipelago. So just keep receiving. Once upon a time in the archipelago, people who lived here were fishermen, maybe a cow or two. That's not what it's now. People who work out on the islands are entrepreneurs. They work with restoring housing, building houses, maintenance of all these great big summer houses, tending to boats. So it's very much a living archipelago. It's changed, but it's nice. More and more people are getting off to work. And I know whoever are driving these boats, I know they love going to work with this fantastic view in the morning before you start working, and always having the ocean and the nature nearby. You think their hearts are singing? I think they might be singing. I'm so happy I can share this with you. Just keep on receiving and opening up. Can you find something to smile about? To giggle about? Can you find that little happy thought that makes you giggle? Can you? If it's, sometimes sometimes it can be hard to find the happy space. Well, you can always check YouTube videos and have some fun, or Instagram or TikTok. Get some laughter into your body. And when you get the laughter into your body, then you go sit with it. Sit with that tickle of your heart. And it's going to help you. It's going to help you. Just sit with the energies and receive. Keep on receiving. I'm all open and still holding the space for you. All the wisdom you need, you have inside of you, right? There's some wind coming now. The wind of change, I believe so. I believe there are a lot of things going on, changing in our world. Keep on receiving these vibes, these energies. They are meant for you. They are yours to keep, not keep, but let them work around you. And see what they do. I'm not promising anything. It's just that they are going to open up your space and let ideas flow to you and your heart. Remember, your heart, your soul, everything. This is combined. The body consists of you, your ego, and your soul. We have to nurture both of them. That's why we exist the way we do. So both your body and your soul have to be happy. And how can I help? I mean, to keep the body happy, you will, eat good things, drink good things, have fun with people around you. And that also maybe makes your soul happy. But remember to keep the energy flow. That's the most important part. Keep the energy flow to raise the vibes around you, to fill up your space with this energy and these frequencies that are coming, and they are all around you. So it's just for you to pick up. Just find this space like I'm sitting right now and sit down and receive, open up, and just shout out to the world, to the surroundings. I am open to receiving. Send it in my direction. I'm here. I'm ready for that change. I'm ready for the change. You are ready for the change. You are ready for the change. You know how important you are. Your ideas, your thoughts, your beliefs, your love, your frequency, your energy. You are unique. So raise that vibe today. That is what's needed. Now we're going to sit with the views a bit more. Just keep on receiving. All of this that you see now is going to send you light and love and vibes to raise your vibration, to help raise your vibration wherever you are. The nature around me, the trees. Just help them. Trust them. That's all for today. Bye-bye.